our way to Kotor. So what do you reckon?
Unfortunately, we have to deal with the cruise ships.
Yeah.
So there is the old town of Kotor, and up there somewhere is an old fort. Back ashore, parked our little dinghy on the edge of the marina, and there's Kotor. This is worth seeing. There's the wall that I was talking about that goes all the way up to the top, and way up there is an old fort, and then you come back down, there's a church, and you're back down. Let's go for a walk. This is a busy road. It's the only road. It goes all around the bay. It's not so hot, so this is a good time to go visiting.
Competition? No. Festival, folk dancing festival.
Yes.
You're Slovakian?
The thing that's amazing me all the time is how we are surrounded by these mountains everywhere you go. Just a little feeling of the town of Kotor without many tourists, because it's already 7:30. All the day tourists are gone, right?
Right.
Let's have another church, they said. Or, if you don't want it this big, you can always go for the smaller one. Nothing straight in this place. Kotor by evening. I was gonna say night, but it's not quite night. Waiting for a little performance here. Another little group of musicians. It's actually in front of the music school. The local market in Kotor. This is probably the best one we've seen for a long time. So much choice and everything looks really fresh.
Cats and now dolphins?
Of course now we can't see them anymore, but where that little dinghy is, oh there they are. They're a long way away. But what's really nice is that nice big 5-masted clipper that just came in and anchored. And just there is Kotor. Final view of it. These guys just parked right in the middle. So we parked our boat in a little marina, and this is just the resort right next to it. It's late afternoon, 6 o'clock, 6:30. So madame, tomorrow?
We're off to Belgium. We're on the plane.
Yeah.